Bingo Cash refund requests depend on the specific payment or account issue you are experiencing, which means checking the app's support options is the first step before requesting help. By the end, you will know what to check before asking for a refund, how to find support options, and what information to prepare for a faster response. A refund policy explains how an app handles payment problems, but the exact process depends on the reason for the request. For Bingo Cash, you should review the available support options inside the app when you need help with a payment-related issue. Section 1. Checking your issue. First, before requesting a refund, identify what happened with your account. Check your transaction history and confirm the payment or charge you are asking about. Reviewing your account details helps you provide accurate information when contacting support. Include details that explain the problem, such as what happened and when you noticed the issue. Section 2. Contacting Bingo Cash support. The next step is using the support options available through Bingo Cash. Support teams usually need account details and information about the issue to review a request. When contacting support, explain the problem clearly. Avoid sending incomplete information because missing details can make it harder to understand your request. Check your account records before submitting your message. This helps you describe the transaction correctly and give support the information needed to review the situation. Section 3. Avoiding refund problems. Many payment issues can be prevented by checking game details and account activity before confirming actions inside the app. Before making purchases or entering paid games, review the information shown on the screen. This helps you understand what you are confirming before completing a transaction. If you notice an unfamiliar charge or payment issue, act quickly by checking your account information and contacting support through the official app options. Remember that a refund request does not automatically mean a refund is approved. The support process depends on reviewing the details of the specific situation. To summarize, Bingo Cash refund questions should start with checking your transaction details. Support requests work better with clear account information, and reviewing payments before confirming can help prevent issues. Your next step is simple. Open Bingo Cash, check your account activity, and use the available support options if you need help with a payment issue. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more app guides and fixes.